This is the PGYTECH U-bolt mount. Now this is for your motorcycles. This is for your really big, like heavy duty bikes that are going to be vibrating all over the place and like hitting a lot of bumps and stuff like that. So what this has the U-bolt on it right here. You're going to have to take all these bolts off to get that thing open, and then it comes with little spacers. So if you have a smaller section, you can pop this thing on here when this is off and then attach it. There's also a smaller one like this that you can put on there as well. That's probably going to be your best bet. You have this one in there depending on what size your handlebars are, but this is like aluminum alloy or something. It's really, it feels like metal. It's like really heavy duty. It feels great in your hands. And it has a center mechanism to get different angles. Even that just right there, you can tell this is quality made. Like, it is quality. This is probably one of the best quality I've seen for a bike mount, motorcycle bike mount. It has the cool PGYTECH quick release system. So you can put your action camera on there and then pop that on like that quickly. And you can also use this dial to tighten it up and get it exactly how you want. So overall, I mean, this thing is just, it's so good. It's so good. And it comes with a little wrench so you can tighten it down and make sure you get it as tight as you need to. So it comes with everything you need. I highly recommend this. If you're looking for something for a motorcycle or a dirt bike, you're gonna want this. I highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.